Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign up on QQ app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, previously we did had the English version of the QQ app, but unfortunately now we only have the original version of it. So once you have opened, this is how the interface is gonna look like. On your left side is the icon for the sign up. On your right side is the icon for login. Since we're gonna sign up, we're gonna tap on sign up. Now you have to make sure you have chosen your country. Now you cannot read the text on your left side, so make sure you see the numbers on your right side and choose your country. Then you're gonna go ahead and enter your number. Right, you're gonna go ahead and enter your number. Then you're going to tap on this little icon, which is simply agreeing to it, and tap on sign up. You just gotta wait for a while, and now you simply have to provide this verification. We're just gonna identify it, and now it will basically, it is not available in my country, that's why it's showing that. Once you have added that, then added your number and you have confirmed, verified yourself, then you simply will be able to add in your number, add in the code, and add the recipient's number, and you can choose two options, which will be the send message, and then you can tap on it and you can send the recipient message. That is how it works. Hope this video helped. So hope this worked. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.